Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will to learn how to make a design simple part for beginners in SolidWorks like this. We want to convert from the sketch to solid part. Okay, just start it. Go to the SolidWorks. First, you want to begin from front plane. So, right click on front plane and click sketch. Here. In here, I use a millimeter unit. We can change in here in the bottom in here millimeter unit. We want to make first center rectangle. Yes, draw it from the origin point. The line is 80 millimeter, 80 millimeter, and the width is 50 millimeter. Just input, set the dimension like this. Okay. And make center line like this to this line. Draw circle from this point like this. Have the cut of the hole like this. The half hole. The half of hole is a circle. Have radius 25. So the diameter is 50 millimeter. Like this. Because the radius is 25. Then we can do 3 more entities. This line, and this line. Okay, it's so simple. Go to feature and export to solid part to extrude boss like this. We can see in here the total this point to this point or this line is 58. So direction is blind. In here is 58 millimeter. Just click OK. Okay, and you want to make a cut in here like this. So this face, click right click and click sketch. Click line, draw line like this, and this and this like this. Okay, then set the dimension. We can see in here the total of this point is 58, but in here is have a slope, cut a slope. So this line have a 40 millimeter and plus 10 millimeter. The total is 50. So this point to this point 58 minus 50. So in here is 8 millimeter. Then in here you can see is 10 millimeter. This line have high in 30 millimeter like this. After that, we just cut the sketch using extrude cut. Direction change in through all. Just click OK, and then it's so simple. Don't forget you want to make a cut like this. So this face, right click, click sketch, edit sketch. Then in here we want to select corner rectangle. Draw like this. Ensure we draw long add from this edge. We want to make longer. Then ensure the center, the rectangle, and the center of this part in this point to make vertical like this. Then adjust for the length in here is 40 millimeter. Then this edge and this edge, this line and this edge, this line and this edge is 5 millimeter. Then go to feature and just extrude cut. The depth we can see in here is 11. Direction we can change in blend. The depth is 11 millimeter like this. Then in the end we can do a cut again in here. So this face, right click and click sketch. Okay, make a center line draw from this point to this, and select the center rectangle. Okay. Ensure we begin to center line like this. We draw it like this. Set for the length is 64. Just input 64 in here, and the width is 20 millimeter, like this. So we can check in here this edge and this line is 10, and then this edge and this line is 10 millimeter too, because we start from this point, the center of the part, like this, center of the center line. Okay, after that we just to extrude cut. The dip is 15 millimeter. Go to feature and extrude cut. Direction is blend, but in here we can change the dip is 15 millimeter. Just click OK and done. We can to select all the feature, change the color, maybe in brown like this. Then we can to change again for the color of the cutting like this. We can change like this and this, and done. We just make simple part like this. It's a simple part for beginners. It's really beginner. It's perfect for beginner. Yeah, to start to make you more confident in SolidWorks. I hope this tutorial help you to learning SolidWorks, especially for beginner. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.